All right. Now we just get all these fasteners back in here. We're on our way back to home base, y'all. Gots to love it. It's amazing what we do for money, huh? I guess some people do a lot more questionable things for money, so I'm not even tripping. I'm not even tripping. But I am trying to figure out... Oh. I was trying to figure out why there was one extra bolt in my hand. Turns out, my guide bolt. Happens, right? Alright, got the old guide out. Alright, now I can go cinch all these down. Oh yeah, a little progress. Alright, well, she's all put back together. I would have done the whole front and back thing, but you know what? Just bits and pieces. I'm kind of learning this meta glasses shit, and yeah, anyway, that's all done deal. Y'all have a good one.